magandang umaga. I'm wearing my org shirt for school. And basically, even though I'm not physically in school, let's be in this journey together. This is my current setup. I have a monitor so that I can multitask a lot of things. So I have my phone holder and yes. So basically, I am bringing you along my first day. So stay tuned. Hi everyone, so we are back. Finished with lunch. Syempre, we also have lunch breaks because, you know, you're human, you need to eat. So basically, let's get back to work after having our lunch break. Medyo ginabi na po tayo because of online classes. It's not that I'm new to this. My schedule's at night, so mas naninibaga ako pag morning. And this is definitely, it's very straining for the eyes. And I kind of miss talking to the people. Hi guys! Magandang gabi. I started in the morning, like very early in the morning, and then now it's actually 1:44. I'm doing my literature paper. If you ask me how I'm doing, I would say I'm doing just fine. I would lie and say I'm actually not that fine. I was having some self-talk and I was wondering, this is actually really hard. And right now I was just reminded by the verse, you can do all things through Christ who gives you the strength. Not to sound all Stephen Curry, but when you're at your breaking point, kung kakayanin mo pa ba, just always remember that God is the strength that you need. Like all you literally need to do is just pray. Say, Lord, please help me. I may be so tired, but I feel like I have the energy to continue. I have the energy to produce not just okay results, but actually excellent ones. With all of that said, I think it's a good time to end the vlog here since you've already experienced my first day of my last first day of college. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this video and I hope you stay tuned for more. Magandang gabi, guys.